If you want to permanently delete your DoorDash account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account is removed completely. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app or website. Log into your DoorDash account using the app on your mobile device or by visiting the DoorDash website on your computer. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. In the app, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner, then select account. On the website, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and choose account settings. Step 3. Find the delete account option. Scroll through the account settings until you find the option to delete your account. This may be listed under privacy or account management. Step 4. Follow the deletion process. Click on the delete account option and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm your decision and provide a reason for leaving. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Once you have completed the necessary steps, you should receive a confirmation that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages from DoorDash. After completing these steps, your DoorDash account will be permanently deleted. If you have any issues during the process, consider reaching out to DoorDash customer support for assistance.